Hello there and welcome to this GCSE biology test. Now in this particular test you've got 39 various different types of questions. There are two ways that you can actually complete this work. Number one, you can try doing it as a test. So try and test your general knowledge in biology and see how you get on. Because in the follow-up lesson we'll be going through all these questions individually anyway. Number two, you can try and research each question and then try to answer it as you go along. This way you can build up your biology knowledge as well at the same time. The choice is yours. So in this particular question, number one, the following figure shows an animal cell. What is structure A? So in this case, we've got four options. We've got cell membrane, mitochondria, chloroplast, or vacuole. So in this case, the answer is going to be a cell membrane. So what is a cell membrane? A cell membrane provides protection for a cell on the outside, and it actually protects the environment inside the cell as well. So good luck with these questions, and remember we're going to go through these questions in our next class in much more detail. In the meantime, try your best in this following homework. Good luck.